Today we're going to be working on something called main idea. And what a main idea is it's the whole picture of something. So it's what something's all about. So we're going to use this s'more as an example. So the main idea would be the entire s'more. So if you've ever ate a s'more before, you know there's graham crackers, there's chocolate, there's marshmallows, and it's really good when you eat it all together. Now, each piece of the graham cracker is a detail. It's a detail about the story. So the whole story isn't about just that, but when you put it all together, you got the main idea. So if I was to say, I played in the puddles, it was a fun rainy day, playing in the puddles is a marshmallow. It was a fun rainy day would be my main idea. And I would want to give some other examples. Maybe I wore my favorite rain boots. I had to wear a coat. If there was more, I could say I needed an umbrella. Those are little details of the story. But it was a fun rainy day would be the whole main idea, the whole s'more. So once you've watched this video, head on over to the next video and I'm going to show you the page that we're working on. And we're going to find what the main idea would be on this page.